Welcome to ABC Adventures. Let's explore some amazing stories with me.
Wow, that's so much fun! Look, this is letter U. Tap, tap. U is for unicorn. Oh my goodness, a unicorn! Yeah, a unicorn. U is for umbrella. U is for uniform. Oh no! Look! Look! What is that? It's not water. It's fruit rain. Watch out! Ah! Run!
Tap. Make umbrella.
Whoa!
Fruit shield. Safe.
Trapped!
Time for more magic! Look at that yummy juice! Oh, what's that? Run, Bumble, run!
Time to save the day.
Whoa!
We made it.
U is for utterly amazing.
Look, this is letter V. Yes, that's V.
V is for vacuum cleaner. Wow, a vacuum cleaner. V is for van. Tap, tap, tap.
V is for vase.
Ooh, a vase. Oh, so many leaves. Oh, and so much trash. I can't do this alone. Achoo, achoo, achoo. Here, Mello, this will help. Wow, what is that? The scent of these magical flowers will make you feel better. Now it is time to clean the garbage. Zoo! V for very good job.
Look, this is letter W.
W is for whale. Wow!
W is for watch.
W is for wagon. Okay, here's the fast-forward watch. Ready? Ready! Whoa, this is so fast! Look, it's too wide! We can't cross this. Time for a ride.
Wow.
Watch this.
A whale.
Look, it spouts water. That's amazing.
Look, this is letter X.
X is for xylophone. Wow, a xylophone.
Tap, tap, tap. X is for X-ray camera.
Wow. X is for X-marked map. I'm lost. I'm late. My candies will be all gone. Where's my toy car? I lost it.
Don't worry, Mello. I have an idea. Let's see if it's in here. It's not in the box. Wait, it's under the ground.
I found it. Here it is. The Garden X. Let's go. We made it. Right on the spot.
Okay, it's buried. But how? Wait, I know. Whoa, magic xylophone. Abracadabra! Look, it's working. We did it! Yes!
Look, this is letter Y. Amazing!
Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yacht. Wow. Tap, tap. Y is for yolk splat gun. Wow, that's amazing.
Oh no, the wall is too slippery. I can't reach it.
Yeah, one.
Don't worry, I have an idea.
All right, Bumble, let's do this. Woohoo, you got it. Whoa, what's happening? Oh man, that's hilarious.
Time for the yolk splat gun. Woohoo! It's working! We got it! Look, this is letter Z. Musical chimes and whistles. Z is for zebra.
Bumble. Z is for zigzag slide. Mellow.
Wow!
Wow. Tap, tap. Z is for zipper.
Wow, a zipper. Hi, everyone.
That's right, Z for zipper. Amazing.
हम वक्त पर कैसे पहुंचेंगे? Don't worry, I have an idea. Oh no, it's too high.
Time for the zigzag slide.
Woohoo! Let's go! Look out below. Here we go. Faster, faster. Wow, my hair. Tap. Here it is.
Wow.
Faster, super zebra. Zoom.
Subscribe for more.
Watch our other videos.